Okay, so after finally recording for I don't know how long, and getting it hopefully, okay, 14 minutes, 59 seconds. Alright. Transfer that to the USB. Oh well, shit. It's not plugged in. Okay, there. Now we got plugged in. Transfer it over. Total transfer. There we go. Alright. Now while we wait, so far from what I transferred or decoded, it's ground control to Major Tom and dice audio for life. But I'm just going to do this to prove it all to you, unless everybody's code is different like it was in Battlefield 1. So we'll find out here in 4 minutes. And then we'll transfer it to the good old laptop and decode it all. A 14 minutes of recording should have got all of the coding. If not, I got it recording still, and then I'll go back through and do it all again. Because I was really hoping for some more secret dog tags like in BF1, but I don't know. That's yet to be discovered. So I haven't found nothing yet. I thought it might be with the transmitters for the sniper class. Yeah, you have to be level 6 in the sniper to get the spawn beacon, which the spawn beacon is what puts out the code. So just to let you know ahead of time. I know a bunch of you are probably going to skip this video, and that's perfectly fine. Oh, I got my Xbox running. Oh, my Xbox running with Netflix. But yeah, you're going to skip to the good stuff, so figured I'd get it all to show you step by step on how to do everything if you don't have it, which both the things I use, which is VLC Media Player and Audacity, are both free. So once this gets done, and I just want to prove to you that it's what it is. There might be more codes, but so far this is the only coding I've got. So, and the last 3 times I've done it, it's both Major Tom, ground control to Major Tom, and dice audio for life. So I don't know if there's any secret dog tags or not, but I'm hoping there is, like in BF1. But it might not be with Morse Code. It's probably something else, which I'm sure everybody in the community is working on, at least the others that are like me that want them. So, because I haven't found nothing but this so far. I don't know if anybody else has found this or not, but plug it in. Right. Go to media. convert/save, add file, this one, open, convert, save. When you click on this, make sure you just do audio MP3, browse, store in your USB port again, name it whatever you want. I go with pop since I live in the Midwest and it's pop, not soda. Now we wait for that to convert it all to audio. Slowly but surely. Then again, it is 14 minutes that's got to convert to audio. It's about done. Alright, we're done. Go down here to click Audacity, open file, pop, so then what we're going to do is click here where it says Battlefield, stereo frame, double click to highlight it. There you go. Now that's highlighted. Normalize. Oh. Okay. There. Now it's highlighted. Normalize. Go to, leave it at negative 2.0. As you can see, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 coatings. Oh, sorry. I'll do that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Once this gets done, I'll translate them all so you can see what they are. Alright. Zoom in. Zoom in until we can see the actual Morse code here. I have zoomed in too far, but we'll find out. Yep, we zoomed in too far. So zoom out. There we go. So here's the first Morse code, which I'll then click on Google Chrome, bring in Morse Code Translator, type it in for you. Oh, that's from a previous type. Oh, won't let me delete it. Oh well. Alright, well, we'll just type over it. So we'll go with dash dot dot dash 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 dot dash dot dash space dot dash. Oh, I read those wrong. Those are dots. So dash dot 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 dot. There, that makes it easier to read. So dash dot 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 dash dot dash dot dot dash dot dot dash, except for that P, we don't need that. Dash dot 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 triple dash okay, and then a big space dot dot dash dot dash 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 dot dash dot dot dash dot 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 dash dot dot. Click translate. First one is Dice Audio for Life, of course. Alright, let's work our way over to the other one. As I expect, this is probably ground control to Major Tom, but we'll find out. Oh no, this is quite a bigger one, so let's zoom out a little. Okay. Alright. Alright, here we go. Dash dash dot dot dash dot dash 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 dot dot dash dash dot dash dot dot dash dot dash dot dash 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 dot dash dot dash dot dash 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 dot dash dot space space dash 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 dash. Too many dashes. Dash dash dot dash dot dash 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 dot dash dot and dash 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 dash. Ground control to Major Tom. So that's the second audio. Alright, we got 3 more unless they're all the same. Which I'm pretty sure they are, but we'll find out. If this one is Dice Audio for Life again, I'm just going to end the video after this. If it's something new, I'll keep going. There it is. Zoom in. Over just a little. Zoom in. This appears to be Dice Audio for Life again. But we might as well check it. Dash dot 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 By the way, I'm just using the dash and period button when you do it. for those who didn't know. I probably just did 2 hours of my life trying to get this perfectly recorded to just have the same little Easter eggs over again. But it was worth it. To at least bring it to you fine folks of the world. Yep, Dice Audio for life. So that probably means... Oh, I'll see how it ends here. Zoom out, zoom out. Zoom out. There we go. I didn't need to highlight it. There we go. Yep, that one's ground control to Major Tom again. And that one is Dice Audio for life. So, no far, nothing for the Morse code. No dog tags, no nothing. So, I know this is a 16-minute video, but figured I'd show you how to do it and the steps and everything else. So, yeah. Pretty much it. Waste of 2 hours of my life, but it was worth it. I will find those secret dog tags. And good luck to everybody else who's doing it too. Peace out.